Yucca or cassava is the main ingredient for today's recipe. Cassava is popularly known as Agbeli in the northern part of Ghana. So we are making Agbeli kaklo. Agbeli simply means there is life. So yesterday, my husband was telling me how they got the name. He said when our forefathers migrated, they saw the cassava tree on their way whilst they were hungry. They uprooted the tree, saw some food and prepared it. After enjoying, they said, Agbeli, there is life again. That is how they got the name. So if you know someone called Godlina Agbeli, it doesn't mean Godlina cassava, okay? But there is life. Thank you so much. So I peeled off the cassava, cut them into smaller chunks, washed them very well, blended it, extracted the milk from it, and after that I separated them. This is what I've gotten. Add your salt, mix it and taste for the salt. Add some grated onions and chopped onions, mix it, and then we are ready to go. So we have two ways that you can shape your Agbeli kaklo. We have the round one that is very common, but when you go to the water part of Ghana, we have the other one that you will be seeing in this video. Normally that is for the spicy one, I mean this one. So when you get to this stage, you can just divide it into two, add hot pepper, grinded one, to the other part, and then you shape it. Try that and you will love it. When I was making this, I wasn't having that reddish pepper, you know. I always want my food to be very colorful. I had a yellow one, that is why I didn't add that. So just look at that, so beautiful. And after I finished making this, my husband was like, it is so good. I know you will ask me, do we have Agbeli kaklo that does not taste good? Oh yes, we do. If the cassava is bitter, your Agbeli kaklo will be bitter. Normally we grate the cassava, but I blend it because I don't like stress. Did you hear that? Very crunchy and delicious. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos and follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please share to others and also leave me a comment. This was nice. Try it and I will be very happy. You can pair your Agbeli kaklo with coconut and granite. You are surprised. Yes, with the granite, it is so good. Thank you so much for your time. And your overnight or leftover Agbeli kaklo tastes better than the one you just made. So don't throw them away. Thank you and see you in the next episode. I love you.